It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody. You're welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to make some Italian chicken bake boats. Here I have some 3 pieces of chicken. It's chicken breasts. What I done is this morning I took and cut 3 slits in each chicken breast, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag with some Italian dressing. Now the video that I'm going to link below, they make their own sauce and they just dip it in it. They don't marinate it. But I thought it'd be better marinated. I have some thin sliced red onion, tomatoes sliced, and mozzarella cheese. Okay, we're going to attempt to make the boats. I have some aluminum foil here. It's 15 inches long by 10 inches wide. And what we're going to do, we're going to fold down about a couple inches there, and on the other side. Now we're going to fold that in half. Now, remove these. Y'all can see. I'm going to fold these ends about 3 times. On each end. And then we're just going to open it up. There's your little boat. Sort of shape it a little bit so that the chicken will sit down in there. I'll get the other 2 done and I'll be right back. Okay, got them made. They're not perfect, but they'll work. Now I'm going to lay some red onion, purple onion, whatever you call it, down in the bottom. And next we're going to lay 3 tomatoes in the bottom. I sure can't wait till garden tomatoes are coming out. Okay. Now we're going to take the chicken. Just lay it on top. And I've got Dixie a little piece of chicken here with some coconut oil. Hers is plain. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, here it is out of the oven. Now we're going to take our mozzarella cheese, some on top. Now we're going to put this back in the oven and let the cheese melt. Okay, here they are out of the oven. We'll get them plated up and give them a try. Okay, here it is all plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Alrighty.
Piece.
Delicious.
That's really good.
Pretty good.
Definitely a keeper.
All right, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. Come back and see us. Almost forgot, we got a salad and I made some focaccia bread. I'll have a separate video on that. Thank y'all for watching.
Holmans Homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holmans Home.